All right, so the wig I'm sharing with you guys today is called Serena. She is a new human hair wig that they have out, and it is so pretty. It does only come in this one color at this time. It's called Cold Coffee Brown, and so just that graduation of dark to lighter is so beautiful, very well done. I would classify this as a beautiful brunette balayage shade. So basically you have a lace top wig. The front extends from ear to ear, and then you have that whole crown of this gorgeous lace material that's been individually hand tied. So that whole top crown area and front area on the front hairline is individually hand tied, meant to look like the hair is growing straight out of your scalp. The rest of this cap is closed wefted, so you have those wefts, but then you have it closed on the underside. That's very comfortable. And then they have these pressure sensitive clips on the ear tabs that can help the wig itself stay more secure. The circumference on this here cap is 22 inches. Okay, let's put Serena on and see what she looks like. Isn't she so beautiful? I did put curl in this wig, and that's the nice thing about human hair is you can style it to your liking. And this color, this balayage color, is so beautiful. It definitely gives your basic brunette color just more depth and dimension. And of course, it's very on trend. It looks like you went into a salon and had a really high-end balayage color from a professional stylist. The length on Serena is 16 inches, and the density on this here wig is 130%. Let me give you a close-up view of that. The lace front looks really good, and then you have that lace all through the crown, so you can part it every which way, which they refer to as a free parting. You wear it to your liking. Now this hair is very luxurious Remy human hair. It's nice and smooth and soft. This is very high quality hair. Let me do a full turnaround of this gorgeous Serena so you guys can see the coverage and the density from all angles.